It happens if you are isolated in a place where there's nobody and no other things that you can have. But you are given to choose what are the 4 things that you can bring along with you in order to achieve a goal. What will happen to you? Could you survive? Or would you be like this? Person A has prepared properly and he brought 4 very useful things to achieve his goal. And person B is the contra to person A. Which person would you like? Which person do you think you would be? You don't need to answer me because I already know what's in your mind right now. Of course, he is person A, right? Actually, what I'm trying to say here is proper preparation and good thinking as well are very important in doing this task. Because we need to ensure what are the 4 things that we have to bring are the right things that we need or not. My dear audience, honestly it was hard to think, but according to my goal, I think these are the best 4 things that I will bring along. I will bring a television, some pictures of great building design around the world, my drawing tools, and encyclopedia of mechanical engineering. Wondering what is my goal? I will tell you at the end of this speech. First and foremost, I will bring a television. Don't get me wrong, because it is not for me to watch my favorite movies or whatever, but it is for me to uncover how a television works. In this period of the isolation, I want to open the television and go through every single component and try to put them together again. I will do this again and again until I will be familiarized with them. From this, I could be an electrical engineer, in this particular field. Boys and girls, next, in order to achieve my ambition, that is to be an architect, or in the other words, a structural engineer, I would like to bring some pictures of great design buildings around the world, so that it can inspire me to think and invent my own buildings. Then, I would draw as many designs that I could by using my drawing tools. Last but not least, I will bring along an encyclopedia of mechanical engineering. I want to fully understand how to be a mechanical engineering. Although I don't do this practically, but at least I could get some knowledge about this field of engineering. Hopefully, with these 4 things that I choose, I could achieve my goal, that is to be a versatile and knowledgeable engineer. And I want also to build my own building with my own design, and I want to name the building after my name. With that, thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening everyone. Today I would like to talk about my isolation week. I would like to bring along with me 2 persons, which is the first one is Adolf Hitler and the second one is Alexander Graham Bell, to discuss about the main idea, which is something that is impossible to be done. Firstly, about Adolf Hitler. I want to ask him, when he had used so much, what makes, in order to remove the Jews from the world, what makes him believe that he can lead such a big group, which is the Nazi Party, until the whole world know about it and afraid to face with them? Even though we know that Hitler is such a cruel person, but somehow we can take the positive value from what he had done, which is he tried to make the world become a better place for the human being to live in harmony without destruction being made by the Jews. We know that the Jews is such an human race that like to kill people to make destruction. But how Hitler can do it? How can he persuade people to join him, to fight what he's fighting for? We look at the world today. After the death of Hitler, what happened to the Southeast countries, such as Palestine and Iraq? They have become such a wasteland. The people are starving. The people are suffering for what the Jews have done. We should take lesson from what had happened. Secondly, the person is the inventor of the telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. I want to ask you, people all around the world. As for the conclusion, even though we think that something that cannot be done, but somehow it can be done without we realize it. So
today I would like to talk about the things in the group that I'm going to do that I'm going to achieve in my future. First of all, I'm sure all of you will question why I choose this place. And is there anything that I can get here? All of this you will find out after this.
Goyang. Kau nak depan. Kau nak sini. Ya.
The reasons why I choose this place is because I want to take some sample of the biggest flower in the world, which is Rafflesia, and also other potential plants that can be a cure for certain diseases.